Good morning. We have 4 boxes of the Creuset to unbox and see what's inside. They're all 2, 3, 4 weeks old, so I don't remember what's in them either. So we'll unbox them. We'll then check the condition, get them into clean, get them listed, and we'll see what sort of money we should be making from them. So here we go. The 4 boxes, like I said on the intro, they've been sat for a little while. I don't remember what's in them, but none of them looked box-wise damaged, so I'm happy to set them aside. So the first one we got. So some of the best packaging, but also an absolute pain in the arse, is the polystyrene Watsits. They're great, but they just go everywhere. But a box full will always come in handy at some point. So first item that we've got here, we've got a little blue. Oh, 2 items. Oh, this was, yeah, these were separate listings on eBay. They've obviously just been sent together. Same on postage costs, which is good. And it's also one parcel to worry about, and not two. So we have a casserole dish and a milk pan, or this is a saucepan with 2 spouts. So inside, used quite well. The exterior looks pretty good. It looks like it's been looked after on the exterior. Not bad at all. But that's had like some sort of red sauce that's obviously been used as a main dish. It'll take a while to get cleaned up, but not much effort involved. It would just don't come up as quick as something less stained. That's all. But a size 25, so something like that in the flame as well. Probably the 130-ish sort of mark. Then this one is like the Teflon coated on the interior, so it's like a milk pan. But as you can see, very well used. Even the outside is stained up quite bad. But that'll be sent off to have the interior re-enamelled, not re-enamelled, recoated. So that'll be like new when it's finished. So the second parcel we have is again nicely packed. Always a win. You always dread it when you get a parcel and the corner's ripped open or something like that. So we have a casserole dish lid, and then the casserole dish will be inside here. So just looking at the lid already, you can see there's a small crack that runs down it. Then just checking the box, make sure there's nothing else. I have thrown a box away before that had a lid in it, thinking it was just a heavy box, and then wondered where it went, and it was long gone. So in this bag that someone's used, we have a white oval casserole dish. So compared to the orange one, nowhere near as stained. This will clean up twice as quick. It'll look just as good. All those little marks, etc., on the outside will pretty much come up. The little scuffs and stuff, they may stay. Like on a car, if it's got a scratch, you can clean it, but the scratch is still there. So, but food dirt, general like stains, we have no problem getting them off. But that was a size D. So in the modern way that Le Creuset size things, that would have been a 27 centimeter casserole dish, which is the longest point on the oval. So our third box, again packaged really well, which is always good. So this, I think I remember what these were. I think this is a set of, the 3 blue saucepans. Set of 3 is always good. They always sell well. Obviously, traditionally, Le Creuset sold them in 5s. So you had 22, 20, 18, 16, and 14 centimeters. The 22 and 14 have dropped off the second generation and the new signature pans have. It's now the 16, 18, and 20. So if you find them in the older ones, like these, that's a perfectly decent set still for what most people would want to use them for. And the blue is a good solid colour that always sells. It's they always go. So condition wise, it's pretty much just the base on these, well so far, that is used. So the interior of this one, which is a larger one, size 20, as you can see, a bit more stained, but nothing that will come up. And then underneath the handles there, that slight scorching from when it's obviously been on the gas hob. That's very normal on this generation, the age of pan. These have been 80s and 90s, so they've lasted a good while. but the fact they still look quite varnished on the tops shows they've been looked after. They're looked after or not used an awful lot. And then just the matching lids to go with them. So these are the first generation, but like the second look or style, if you like. So the original ones had smooth lids, none of the lines or the Creuset name on the lids. And obviously the slightly newer ones are what they look like now, where they have the 3 rings, and then the Creuset written on it. But then the knobs also have the name on as well. But if you're enjoying the content so far, please go ahead and subscribe. It's much appreciated. I will be trying different things, different angles. I'll be more in the videos rather than voicing over soon once I'm settled a bit more. And then if there's any certain types of videos or talking about eBay or reselling in general, then pop your thoughts in the comments and we can make videos about those. So our 4th box, yeah, our 4th and final box. Again, loads of packaging. Oh, this was overkill, but it's always good. So this is just for signature griddle pan. So at least it's not broke, which is a good thing. So signature, so it has a loop handle on the left side. That's how you can tell the signature stuff from the older stuff. The older stuff has more like just a little hand plate sort of thing you can hold. But it's in the flint grey, very popular colour. Looks great. That looks hardly used really. It's just got a little bit of light staining from use. That'll come up no problem, even with my light cleaner. But there we have today's unboxing. Good bit of money to be made. We'll see what it goes for. So there we go. A few half decent bits. We've got the set of 3 saucepans, a nice signature Le Creuset skillet, and then a much older white casserole, and then a filthy orange one. They're all going for clean now. 2 or 3 days they will all be virtually new again, and then we'll get them listed. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.